Okay, now that you've watched our step 1 video and your account is all set up, we're going to talk about listings, step number 2. Okay, before you do any type of listings, either flat file, API integration, we strongly recommend you run Build International Listings, because this tool is the tool that's going to translate your ASINs from the United States, from the US marketplace that you have active, and is going to translate into Portuguese, and is going to remain, this ASIN is going to remain the server for you to create your listings afterwards. So here is how you activate Build International Listings. We call it BIL for easiness. Uh-huh. So sell globally, inventory, sell globally. Then you're going to click on Build International Listings, which is the tool we want. And here you have to make sure your source marketplace is Amazon.com, okay? And then you're going to add a target marketplace, which is Brazil. So we go add a target marketplace, and then you're going to choose Brazil. You're going to submit this, and then you're going to save and continue. And here's the most important thing. You are going to add a percentage of increased markup. How much more than the US do you want this product to cost? Okay, it's your markup percentage, because I'm going to talk about what BIL does as well after. Okay, so we put above the marketplace, and as we're going to discuss in taxes, you want to mark it up to account for Brazil taxes, which is 60%. So we mark it up, sorry, it's above. So we mark it up at 70% above the United States, okay? Because if you have any listings that is fulfilled by merchant in the United States, and this listing is live, active, the ASIN, this tool will also automatically list this ASIN on Brazil, okay? And then after that, you save and continue, and then you save again. You will agree and create your offer. So that's how you activate Build International Listings. A little bit more about this tool. So what does this tool do for you? It translates both US FBA and FBM active ASINs, okay? It will translate everything that's active in your US account, and it's not a restricted product in Brazil. It also lists your active FBM inventory. So if you have any active FBM inventory in the United States that is not restricted in Brazil, this tool will automatically list in Brazil using the markup that you selected. And is going to pick the same quantity and the same SKU number as your source marketplace, which is the United States. In the United States and Brazil are unified account, and you can manage inventory together if you're FBM sellers. All your ASINs are FBM, so that's a great perk. Also, what this tool does is convert the currency. So you put the markup at 70%, and then this tool will mark it up plus convert the currency to Brazilian reais. What this tool will not do for you is list your FBA ASIN. Okay, if you have anything into FBA, you have to do a different approach. However, you still ask for the tool to translate and create on our Brazil server this ASIN. This tool will not delete or close any products on your source marketplace. So you can ask it to delete in Brazil, but if you want to delete in the United States, you have to go to your .com seller center to do so. So deleting and closing does not close in the source marketplace, okay? Also, we will not list any used and refurbished ASINs, because this is prohibited in Brazil, as well as other products that are restricted in Brazil. Please check Seller Central for more help on what products are restricted in Brazil. Okay. So what you do if you have US FBA ASINs that you want to list in Brazil, that's totally possible, but you would have to use either a flat file, we'll have a video on that, or your API integration, or add a product manually. But always use a different SKU than the United States, right? Because this inventory is combined. If you use the same SKU, you don't want to use your FBA SKUs for Brazil. You can add a BR at the end, for example, okay? The other things that you will have to manage inventory separately. So the quantity for inventory is not going to sync. So you'll be responsible to list only products that you have into FBA. Also make sure you watch our video on merchant fulfilled, create a merchant fulfillment order from FBA. So you can see how you can have FBA deliver to one of our freight forwarders your product, and then the freight forwarder will ship your product to Brazil. This is a very easy step, and we do have a video on that. Okay, thank you for watching.